Hi everyone, it's Anastasia here. In this video, I'm gonna show you what to do to start reading fluently even if you're a beginner or intermediate student. All of the books that I'll mention in the video will wait for you in the first comment below with a 10% discount. Many of you are excited by the idea of reading Russian literature in the original. However, when you open up a book, it often happens that students see super long sentences and too many unknown words. They have to check up every third word in the dictionary, which is very inconvenient and usually ends up with a complete disappointment. Okay, how can we avoid this situation? The most important rule here is to use text that comply with your language level. This can be stories from your students' books, but I would recommend you to use specially adapted literature. These are specially prepared books that contains the exact amount of vocabulary that matches your language proficiency. This will allow you to read in Russian in the same way as you read magazines or books in your mother tongue. Such books bear the marking adapted text and the level the book is designed for. For example, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and so forth. If you really want to read a book smoothly and enjoy the plot, I would recommend you to take a book of the previous level. For example, if you are a C1 student, take a B2 book. If you are, for instance, a B1 student, take an A2 book. The largest collection of adapted Russian literature was edited by Zlatoust Publishing House. It contains more than 50 books. Most of them usually contain additional tasks and questions for self-check. Another cool feature is that some of the books are accompanied by the audio version. I looked through the feedbacks of people who read these books and most of them agree that this is an excellent start. So where to find this literature? So scroll down, choose your language level and enjoy the books that fit your language proficiency. The links will lead you to lit.res. This is the largest platform that is used by Russian speakers to purchase books. I also have an account there. It's simple and free of charge. The books I recommend in this video cost around $2 or $3. However, if you buy the books from the collection below, you will have an additional 10% discount from me. After you tap the link, you'll be asked to get registered, and the process there is really intuitive. However, since it's all in Russian, I'll tell you what to do next. If you don't need this information, please use the timeline to skip this part. First, click the button «Электронная почта» and add your email. Choose Создать профиль. Ta-da! You've been shared a 10% discount. Okay. You'll be asked an additional way to contact you, but you can skip it. So here's your book with a 10% discount. Click on it and look through the free sample. If you like it, click the green button «Купить полную версию». All the rest you know. Now you can enjoy reading. The books we've just talked about do not have this, English-Russian translation. However, it's sometimes useful to have one because it helps to see the inner logic of the Russian language and to see how words are connected in a sentence. And the best is «Красный велосипед и чудо-дерево» by Svetlana Frank. Every single phrase here, not even a sentence, a phrase, is accompanied by a very detailed overview and explanation of vocabulary and grammar used. So if you're a complete starter, be ready to make pauses after every single phrase because you will have to dive deeply into the nitty-gritty of these explanations. However, if your level is high, you can read the plain text at the end of every chapter and get back to explanation occasionally. I included this book in every collection below the video. Okay, that's basically all I wanted to share with you today. In the comments below, please share your reading experience and tell about the books you read as a learner. Trust me, your experience is really valuable, so don't hesitate to share. I personally read all of the comments. As usual, see you in the next videos. Пока-пока!